Right, legends, this is an extremely important video for anyone who has recently bought the itty bitty bad boy baby Bitcoin. We are at support, guys. We're going to go through a whole load of stuff, short-term time frames, long-term time frames. I'm going to show you this new platform that one of my team members showed me today. Absolutely insane shit happening on here. Guys, we're going to go through some altcoins. We're going to go through all the stuff we do on this channel. But guys, emergency video, very important right now. Also, going to do a giveaway, guys. Remember these pre-recorded videos. Going to do a giveaway. Comment below, like the video. One of you guys will win MDX algo and a bundle of crypto, and you comment something awesome down in the comments. I'll just choose someone who does a legendary comment down there. Okay, guys, yo. So in our prior stream, guys, we were talking about this support region here. We have been flirting with it for at least one day. We're 24 hours into this. I was saying between 93 and 94K is a very, very crucial area to hold. And we've come to it, guys, and we're essentially bouncing, ping-ponging in that region, trying to see if we hold it at support. Now, guys, if we do hold, which I do still think that if we're above it, it's still in the court of the bulls. If we do hold it, guys, I do think we're going to move back up towards the high and probably get a 618 on this. So I think actually the price of Bitcoin will probably move up to around $96,700, even up to 786 and 97K. So if we hold this, guys, I think it's going to be a pop back up to around $97,000. Now, I don't think if we do find support, we're just going to continue up in one go. I think we probably do find resistance again in this blue pocket. You can see AI charting tools, one of my indicators, is showing the big blue zone, which is actually going to be the next area of resistance if we hold support. So I don't think it will just, smash off to the races. I don't think that will happen. And also in confluence of that, guys, the long to short ratio is now actually, we have more longs in the market, guys. So 56.71% is the market is long. That's what we want to actually be seeing if you do think a top might be in, is that if there's more longs, then the price action has more of a probability, higher probability of going down. So this level, legends, is very crucial. I do think if we hold it, we're going to get a pop-up, and I do think then we'll get resistance again, and we'll probably end up coming down, and then we'll have to see whether we get a higher low, and then carve out something decent for our upside move, or we actually come back down to the low, and then start creating a descending formation. Nobody knows what's going to happen, guys. All you can do is prepare yourself, and I would say that if you are looking to get into long trade from support, you're looking to buy here and have stop losses underneath the wicks, because if we do lose this level decisively, legends, we're gonna have a quick move down probably to around that that $87,000 mark. And I do think, guys, looking at my Twitter, I posted something about this the other day. I do think actually the probability of filling the CME gap goes up quite significantly if we do lose that region. And also, you got to remember that now we do have more longs in the market. I do think we are due probably some sort of liquidation. That was so fucking loud. So we probably got 5 million on the sell right there. Ooh, that's a big one. We don't usually see the 5 mils anymore. We used to back in the day, but that's a bit... Now this market's getting a little bit more heated, legends, because you know what? What's happening? What the hell happened to my hair? It's all over the place, legends. So the $5 million fucking dump, it hit me and my hair went everywhere. So basically, legends, what we're seeing here is the market's now actually getting bigger, more money's at stake, there's more tradable money in the market, and actually we're seeing bigger orders and positions happening, because I remember in the last bull market we were saying 10 mil positions the whole time. That was a 5 mil sell on Binance right there, legends. Okay, so this level is really, really crucial, guys. I do think if we lose it, we're probably going to get some significant lower price and actually get a liquidity event, a liquidation event taking out a load of the liquidity, because we do have right now 40 $5 billion of open interest. Actually, whoa, it's more than that if you calculate everything. Nearly $60 billion worth of open interest, legends, is on in the market right now. So that means that I call open interest essentially rocket fuel for volatility. And whatever side is more long, whatever is more short, the probability is that's going to get those. If it's more longs, the rocket fuel is longs getting stopped and liquidated. Okay, so it's a lot of fuel in the market right now, guys. Fear and Grid Index is at 79 as well. So if you've been buying up here, guys, you need to have stop losses. You need to be using appropriate risk management. So if we lose this level, guys, I do think we're going to go significantly lower. If you want to zip out a time frame, guys, and actually go into a little bit more macro analysis and say what's the longer term, overall Bitcoin's absolutely fine on the macro. Okay, like Algo Master's still creating to a long, Trend Master's still going up. We're above the node by miles. All of my indicators are saying we're all good, but obviously I won't platter everything on there like a freaking some sort of artistic impression of the charts, but guys, in terms of looking a little bit higher time frame, just to say, let's have a little bit of breather. Yes, on the lower time frames, we are coming up to significant support, and it is quite close. Overall, though, guys, on the macro for Bitcoin, everything's absolutely fine. We're fucking head and shoulders above, but not head and shoulders fucking formation. All right, don't get me twisted with that stupid formation everybody talks about. The level here, guys, is we're still above it. So Bitcoin's absolutely fine in terms of macro. You know, even if we came all the way down to $73,000 in one go, the price action, the structure of Bitcoin would still be fine. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking what's going to happen, are we going to go down to 73 and then it's going to be over? Actually, on the higher time frames, it'd still be absolutely fine. Maybe a lower high there, back in, higher low, carve out something, then continue. There's nothing broken in terms of longer term structure. If we do lose 73 and then start losing this whole region, then yeah, we can talk about potential bear markets for Bitcoin. But I would say that actually the probability of that is lower. Algo Master's in a massive long right now. Obviously, Algo Master's been killing it. The trading bot's been nailing it all the way up here, the MDX Trading Bot, guys. And I just wanted to quickly mention, actually, shitloads of people in the group saying, how do I use the trading bot? How do I get it to work? Just go on my YouTube channel, guys, and watch this video. This video it's a tutorial. Okay, so just to get that out of the way, my trading bot, there is a tutorial video on my page. So it's literally pinned on my thing. So again, guys, everything's looking fine. Everything's up. We're still even above the prior fucking high. I actually put something. Nah, I won't put it on the screen right now. I'm not going to edit this, but there's a meme in my group, in my VIP group, where there's a cat looking at the price go up, and it goes down a little bit, and it's like, what's going on? That's what everybody's doing right now. We haven't broken anything there. On the lower time frames, guys, just want to mention, if you're using Algo Master, my flagship indicator from MDX Algo, you guys, I won't go into this too much. We've got Black Friday right now, so you can get the offers. It's going to be closed in about 2 days. We've almost hit the quota for this, and maybe Cyber Monday, something's coming out. But anyway, the indicator Algo Master Legends, which is the flagship right now, let me quickly whip down to it and show you. You can read it on the website, but this is absolutely killing it if you're using it on lower time frames right now. I've always told you guys that it's not what time frame to use the indicator with. It's like, no, use the indicator to tell you what time frame to trade. And if the indicator is all green, all the backtested results are green. We're completely transparent. We show all of the backtested results to our indicators. We do not hide anything. That's the one thing you can count on with MDX Algo, is we are transparent and we don't hide anything in the company in any regard, in any way. We're completely fair, open, and honest. And you can see the backtested results legend right now on this indicator are all green. So right now, it is a good time to be trading lower time frames on Bitcoin. High volatility, the indicator is going to destroy it. Any setting, guys, on autopilot, just turn on autopilot, let it run. You're going to make money if you take the buy and sell signals, and you can make even more money depending on then adding your own confluence strategies, etc. Total 2, guys, absolutely mental what's happening here. I do think we're going to get a pullback on this. In terms of stocks, guys, I won't go to it too much, but everything's green again, so we are looking like a tick up. But a few other things to go for. I'm really wrapping through this, Legends. Dogecoin, we won't go into that now. Number 7 on Ultimate Market Cap, guys. And by the way, wait till the end of this video because I do have a really, really interesting thing I want to show you. And guys, like it and comment on this video. You know what to do. Engagement. We'll quick look at the dealers. I'm just going to wrap through this. I'm trying to get back into my quick fire price updates. You know, I used to do back in the day. So the dealers, guys, increased long exposure. This means that the dealers are still betting directionally long for the price of Bitcoin to rise. Is a good sign. If they flipped all short tomorrow and they fucking took off all their longs, I'd say, wow, that's interesting. Maybe we're going to go down. But right as of now, these guys are super pitted to the long side. Good to see it. CBI is 81, so we're climbing up towards 90. When we're above 90 on the CBI, guys, I would say start to not DCA in. And then, obviously, guys, we're at 30. Oh, shindig, sir. Hello. We've actually went up to, what was that, 0.2%? Nearly 0.3%. Institutions are buying. The UK government, 61,000. Don't let you trade it, but they'll buy it themselves. Lol. Guys, that's really, really good. And I was saying, guys, back in the day, I said if we get to 14%, we're going to be careering to an all-time new high. And that's what we're getting. Let me just quickly whip this back onto the lower time frames. Actually, I've already got it saved. So let's just take all this to contextual, put this to context, okay? Nothing's changed in the market right now, okay? Everything, all the macro stuff and higher time frame stuff's looking fine. Obviously, all the good stuff with the government, with Trump coming along. So just because the price is going down, guys, doesn't necessarily mean that it's over and it's the top. It's potentially, guys, it could look like it's just a correction to here, but we have to see if we're going to hold it. This is what we were looking for, guys. This level is extremely important to hold. Even if we lose it, guys, probably target around 87, and then maybe the CME gets closed. But if we go all the way down to, even down to that 70 region, down to around 73, it's still fine. Even if Bitcoin goes all the way to 73, it's still okay for the bull market. The bull market is not over, even if we go to 73. It's just a short cost of bow. Then maybe we'll be looking for shorts on the retest of the high. Now, legends. In my community, there are some legends in that community, okay? So, guys, right now, Anal is going absolutely ballistic on this platform called BingX. So this is not even live yet, guys. The team actually gave me an early access link for my community. Someone from my community sent me this platform. And you guys know that I'm not massive into the meme coin stuff, and I'm not actually trading it. But to be honest, guys, I can't lie. Guys, like I said, I'm not affiliated with this company in any way, just to get it out there. But I'm just saying that if this is going to appeal to certain people, they've done a very good job on this specific exchange for meme coin trading. It's super easy to navigate. You can see all the trending coins. The one thing I hate about the meme coin space is that there's just too much stuff. Like, what the fuck do you trade? I really like this trending score. So it's like, what's got a good market cap? Is it actually safe? Is it a scam? It tells you if it's a scam or it's safe. People still fucking trade the scams, but you can click on these fucking things and actually see what's going on. And guys, the mark, these things move crazy numbers, legends. Like that there is like 250% in minutes. Obviously, everyone's trading the 1 second. But anyway, the reason I'm talking about this, guys, is because a lot of guys in our community trade it, and this is not open to the public yet. So the team gave me an early access link for my community. I spoke to the team, I've spoken to the guy in my group who showed me it, and I'm going to put that link in the description so you can get early access. All I'm going to say is this, legends. I don't really trade this kind of shit, but I have put some money and I am going to play around with it because I do potentially see a little bit of opportunity to buy the anal at the lows. So it could be a bit of fun, basically. So if you're going to do this, guys, super high risk. This is basically just like when you're trading meme coins and shit coins like this, you're basically just trading on high leverage because the price moves so quickly that you're essentially, 100% in a minute or seconds. Like, how much is this move here? It's probably going to be like, it's a 28% move in seconds. So you're essentially just trading on high leverage, okay? But spot, so you have a little bit more control because it's a wallet-based thing. But I'll put the link in the description, guys. It's an early access code. I'm not affiliated with the business or anything like that. It's just so you can have a look at it and actually get to use a platform which I would say I am now using. And I would say if you are a meme coin degen lord fucking dude doing it, which everyone's fucking doing right now, this platform looks pretty good to me, looking at what they've built and the way they actually operate. So that's just one thing I want to mention. Obviously, if you're looking to do more some other type of decentralized trading, Alpha.exchange is my exchange, etc. like that. And we got Bybit, we got fucking BingX and the bot and everything. But I would say if you're interested in the bot, sorry, my throat's mashed today. There we go. If you're interested in my trading bot, guys, watch the tutorial video. Links will be in the description. I'm going to do one more thing I need to mention as well on this frickin' video. What was it? Let me just quickly remember what it was, if I can get it out here. It was something to do with on-chain metrics, but it's fine. But guys, in the description, like it. Do what you got to do on the video. You're all legends. Check out the Algo Master. Check out our Black Friday offer and sale. You're all legends. And like I said, I'll give away an MDX Algo fucking subscription and some crypto. Just comment everything below and like the video. And have a great time. And let's keep an eye on this frickin' price action, okay? And get on those lower time frames on Algo Master. It's fucking killing it. I'll see you on the flippies.